Welcome to Brain Vision.
We have got heat transfer through aluminum equals heat transfer through steel. Since the area and the change in temperature are the same for both the cases, that's why we have K aluminum over L aluminum equals K steel over L steel. We are trying to find L of steel, which will come out to be L of aluminum times K of steel over K of aluminum. Putting the numbers in, the length of the aluminum is 0.035 meter times the ratio of the, for steel it is 14 and for aluminum is 240. So that comes out to be 2 times 10 to the negative 3 meter.